is built in a historical building, which was the piano manufacturer, which was starting operating, I believe, so 1878, if I'm right, and they manufacture here these beautiful pianos, Kalisz, after the city name Kalisz. Wonderful hotel, beautiful little old square, and by the way, you can go by the car, probably 15 minutes drive to see a beautiful castle in Gołów. Wonderful. Check my next videos. I will showing you Gołów Castle. Don't miss that.
Okay, I would like to show you the courtyard in Kalisz, and this is a Hampton, Hilton Kalisz, and here in this wonderful courtyard is a wonderful ice cream place, and they serve delicious ice cream and also sorbet, vegan options as well. Blackcurrant is my favorite, and here's the main entrance to the hotel from the courtyard. And look at this, my almost 90 years old mom doing her daily walk in the courtyard. She loves it. Yes, keep walking, mama, keep walking. Okay, follow me. Here in front of me, it's a great place, so you can taste a Polish wine. Can you imagine Polish wine? Wow, yes, such a thing exists. And according to my daughter, Sharotka, they serve very delicious Caesar salad right here to my right. Just follow me and let's discover more wonderful things behind the Hilton, Hampton and Kalisz. As you see in front of me, very beautiful mirror and the sign Kocham Kalisz, which is mean I love Kalisz.